At some point, I could hardly stand it anymore. Every movement hurt. The pain in my knee made me a different person. It literally floored me. I didn't want to get up anymore. I became a recluse. Today, I'm really relieved to have that stage of my life behind me. I enjoy every day. I have a new knee joint now. I live life to the fullest again. It was just that my knee had given up. Everything hurt. I missed being able to move around, go outside, socialize. Most recently, I used to meet up with my friends to go Nordic walking. That was nice. But at some point, that just wasn't possible anymore. Totally normal activities were torture. Climbing stairs, getting up from the sofa, going shopping. I could hardly manage everyday chores without painkillers, and I certainly couldn't do any sports. Then the doctor diagnosed arthritis that was unusually advanced considering my age, probably due to years of malignment. At first, I was afraid of the operation. An artificial knee joint. I hated the thought. But if I hadn't decided to go for the operation at the time, I would probably never have been able to go walking with the girls again and to lead a pain-free life. I wanted my life back. Then I did a lot of research about the best place to have it done, where the most experienced doctors work, what the risks are. And that's when I found a clinic that uses a navigation system. The OrthoPilot Elite helps the surgeon during the implantation to position the knee joint as precisely as possible. I trusted my surgeon straight away. He explained this new navigation system guided operating technique to me. From that point on, I felt really safe and I knew I was in the right place. That was definitely the right decision for me. Look how great the result is. It really almost feels as if nothing had ever happened. My girls and I go Nordic walking together cross-country again. And that is so good for me. I feel liberated. I'm back to my old self, and I have my old life back.